Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, the heavens have no peculiarities more peculiar than the Nigerian female. The heavens have no peculiarities more complex than the Nigerian female, and if you have ever had an encounter with a Nigerian female, then you would immediately know what I am talking about just from the introduction without any need for me expanding on those words. So the heavens have no peculiarities more peculiar than the Nigerian female. Now, if you have the good fortune of meeting a good Nigerian female, then it is one of life's greatest gifts. So if you are fortunate enough to meet a decent Nigerian woman, then it is one of life's greatest gifts. And if you are unfortunate, if you have the ill fortune of meeting a bad Nigerian woman, and it's one of the worst experiences that you go through in life. Now, Nigerian women are one of the most beautiful women in the world. Now, I'm not telling anybody anything new there. We all know this. Nigeria has some of the most beautiful women on the planet, and depending and no matter what your taste is, depending on what your taste is, and no matter what your taste is, Nigeria has some of the most beautiful women on the planet. Now, if your taste is for that androgynous type looking female with a slender, slick body, then please go to the north and go and meet my Fulani cousins there. You will see an elegant woman, tall and striking, poised and demure, and arrogant and erudite, and generally bon vivant, that would delight and confound and intimidate and overwhelm you and bewitch and enchant you in ways that you have never experienced. And if you are looking for that sassy, svelte vixen, then please go to the east or to Edo, and then you'll see some of the most glorious women that you've ever set eyes on in your life, just parading the promenade in all of their elegance and all of their self-confidence and all of their chic. And then if you want that more, rounded figure, and I'm not saying just in physicality, but if you want that perfect female form of poise and charm and grace and wit and intelligence combined with beauty and brightness and sparkle, then go to Yoruba land, go to my yard or you are laughing, and then see what parades there, and you would know that there is a God, because God is manifest in the elegance of these beauties. So there is nothing more compelling than a Nigerian female. But the Nigerian female is an experience only for the brave, because the Nigerian female, she's very forward-thinking, she's very assertive, she's confident in herself, and she's like no other female that you would experience, because the Nigerian female is built and molded from the Nigerian clay, and she's cut in the Nigerian cloth rather, and the Nigerian clothing is a certain sort of je ne sais quoi, a certain sort of bon vivant, a certain sort of like irreverence, a certain sort of like charm. I cannot find the superlatives to describe it, but there's a certain X factor element to the Nigerian female that compels, and that compelling thing is really what makes the Nigerian female, the Nigerian woman, one of the most prized women. And I'm saying prized not in terms of they are being sold, of course they are not being sold, but prized as in wanted. One of the achievements of life is to attain the attention of a Nigerian female, and the Nigerian female is very much aware of our environment and our presence. So really your aspiration in life is first to reach for a Nigerian female, and then if you're not able to attain a Nigerian female, then you want to look for a Nigerian-like female, because really if you're able to reach for a Nigerian-like female and you're able to attain a Nigerian-like female, and that Nigerian-like female is of the good stock, then really your life is good, because the Nigerian female is all of the embodiment of all of the elements that makes all of the attributes that a man aspires to in companionship, in terms of a match, in terms of wit, in terms of a match, in terms of ambition, in terms of a match, in terms of your desires, whatever those desires are. And I don't really want to get too X-rated on this channel, because that's not how we incline. Although we incline, how we incline privately might not well be how we incline online. So yes, the Nigerian female, a real price, but then the Nigerian female, for the uninitiated, seem to have a rather bad press, because some people are often notion that the Nigerian female is too. They confuse the confidence of the Nigerian female with aggression. They confuse her ambition with intimidation, and they confuse her wants with excess. But anybody with any understanding of how life is to be progressed would know that the drive that the Nigerian female brings into the equation is necessary to propel the Nigerian male, or whatever male that has the good fortune of capturing her attention. Is necessary. What the Nigerian female brings is necessary to bring out that element within you that is probably dormant, that you have not identified, or you don't have the confidence to drive yourself. She brings that drive to propel you. So the Nigerian female really is one of the most prized females on the planet, if not the most prized female on the planet. I know we don't have the media to propel the beauty of our race, because obviously the coloration of the media presents a certain different type of beauty form. But for us who know how to identify what our mind wants and desires, and we are male, and therefore we know how the male instinct works, and the male instinct drives towards that compelling element within the Nigerian female, and that is what makes her one of the most desired persons on the planet. I think the Nigerian female should be a religion, actually, because if you look to India and cultures like that, where they deify all sort of elements within the social nuances that makes up all of the elements of society, then if you extrapolate that mindset and apply it globally, then there's no reason why the Nigerian female should not be deified, because really the Nigerian female is a scale above really humanity in effect, and really this is one of the compelling things about her. So the Nigerian female, if you get the bad ones, they're like an unnecessary yum-yums, and there are a lot of bad ones out there. But as there are bad ones, there are like an equal measure of good ones, and they are available. So really, a little insight to the people who are uninitiated: go initiate yourself by way of trying to court the attention of a Nigerian female, because that really should be the direction of travel for anybody with ambition. So yes, a little short video, not so short, try and keep it under 10 minutes. A little short video on the Nigerian female. Let me know what your thoughts are. Conversations in the comment section. That is how we do it on this channel. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.
Missing someone.